What's good, guys? Brand new day. Today we're gonna be swapping out this long giraffe neck stem for some BMX bars in the turtleneck stem. First thing that you want to do is fold your handlebars down. Next, we're gonna get an Allen wrench and we're gonna completely remove this pinch bolt right here, or what is this called? Top cap bolt? I forget the name. It's the bolt on the top of your steer tube. You're gonna completely remove that one, and then you're gonna loosen up these pinch bolts on the side. All right, once it's loose, you should be able to completely remove the giraffe neck stem like that. All right, we're just gonna set that to the side for now. Next, we're gonna get our turtleneck stem, our BMX stem, and our BMX handlebars. We're gonna mount them on top of the steer tube. I already have everything connected. It just makes everything easier. So first thing we're gonna do is undo the safety mechanism, undo the latch, and we're gonna fold the handlebars down. Make sure that these pinch bolts are loose on the side, and you should be able to just slide the whole unit onto the steer tube. Once the handlebars are on, we're going to get the top cap and bolt, and we're gonna tighten it all the way down. Next, we're gonna lift the handlebars back up. Go ahead and close it up. So you wanna make sure that everything is aligned. So first you wanna straighten out your front wheel, and then you can go ahead and straighten out your bars. If you look on the back of the turtleneck, you should see a line. That is the center line of the turtleneck. Also note, these pinch bolts are at an angle, and that's so when you fold the handlebars down, they're out of the way like that. Once everything is lined up, you can go ahead and tighten these pinch bolts on the side. Next, we're gonna take off all these components from the old handlebars and transfer them over to the BMX handlebars. In order to take off the brake levers, you're gonna get an Allen wrench and loosen up the bolt at the top. In order to take off the control panel, we're gonna get another Allen wrench and loosen up this bolt right here. In order to take off the bell, we need a screwdriver. And in order to take off the half twist throttle, there's gonna be a tiny Allen screw on the bottom. You just need to loosen that up, and then it should be able to slide right off. And then in order to take off the shifter, we're gonna use a screwdriver. Once everything is loose, you should be able to slide everything off of the handlebars. Once everything is off of the old handlebars, we're gonna transfer it over to the BMX style handlebars. All right, guys, once everything is mounted on your bike, you're good to go. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you guys haven't ordered a turtleneck stem, the link will be in the description down below. That's gonna do it for the video. Until the next one, deuces. I like that.